everyone. Today I'm so excited to stand here today and I want to share with you about methods to learn English. It helps you speak English fluently, automatically, immediately. You can answer the question immediately. You don't need any time to think about it. Very simple, very easy. This is effortless English. You can learn methods effortless English through 3 steps. Step number 1, make the statement like she likes eating Vietnamese fruit. Step number 2, make the question. You can use WH question or just no question like what does she like? Step number 3, you can answer fully. If you know the answer, you can try to get it. Then I want to tell you about example for me about methods effortless English. I have statement. This is book. Its name you can win. It has right $80. Everyone likes to read it because everyone learns more from it. Make the question, what is it? This is book. Is this book? Yes, this is book. Is it a pen? No, this is book. Why everyone likes to read it? Because everyone learns more from it. That's all my homework. Thank you for watching.